Hey y'all, out here with the little four-wheeler today. I know we've shown this four-wheeler in a couple other videos where we added these racks and lights and stuff. Been having a little starting issue where when you let go of the key, it would kill. And then on about the fourth or fifth try, it would crank up and run. So it's getting really aggravating. So we narrowed it down, found out it's the ignition switch, and I'll just show you what it's doing. All right, so we're just gonna swap this ignition switch out. So it's just this little ring, and it pulls out the back. Take a little screwdriver here, get it unclicked. Got the exact same. This one's a 6-pin. If you could see that, ordered it off of Amazon. I'll put the link to the ignition switch, and it fits. This one here is for Polaris. They make all kind of makes and models for different four-wheelers. I mean, it couldn't be any easier than that right there. I'll snug that down again in a second. Let's try this new key. So that was the whole problem all along. We went through changing spark plugs, looking at all kind of other stuff, and finally figured out the other day when Mandy was riding it, she noticed when with the old ignition switch, when it's in neutral, it's supposed to light up. Well, when she had it in neutral, sometimes the light was on, sometimes it wasn't. So we started messing with it and figured out it's got to be that. So just like I said, brand new ignition switch, about $15 on Amazon, like a brand new one. Thank you for watching Crocs and Socks. We'll catch you on the next one.